Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go.
Here's a serious thought I was having just a few moments ago about the word time. The word time measures the one thing that all human beings share in common. The amount of time you're gifted, granted, or given on this mortal coil known as the Earth. Now, in this case, I'd like to just change the slant on time today to a very simple phrase. Time invested, measured eternally. I've been really lucky this year to see some incredible people. I'm sure this happens every day around the world who've done incredible things pass on. And they've come to the end of their time in their life, but the reflection or the shadow that was cast in their leaving has been extraordinary, where people from all walks of life have come to say thank you to certain individuals and to really make a point of saying thank you for what you did in remembering them after they'd passed. And it made me think about time invested, measured eternally. And therefore, what are the small things that I could do that maybe today, tomorrow, next week, next month, this year, that might have just a micro effect on people to have a better life, a better existence? What can I do so that I can invest my time and measure it eternally way after my existence on this earth? Anyway, I did warn you it was a little bit more serious than normal, but I'm asking you just to think about what time are you investing beyond your time on this earth, and what time are you investing into tomorrow that might just make the next day better than you expected?
Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect, and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.